Hi, this is Rubayat. Welcome to another tutorial from my tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheet. Like Microsoft Excel, you can create a drop-down list like this in Google Sheet also. Google Sheet mainly a cloud-based application. Because of that, the interface of Google Sheet looks a bit different in different devices. I have created this tutorial in a Windows 10 computer. Like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet also have rows and columns. Columns start from column A and it goes up to column Z. You can always add more. And the rows by default goes up to 1000. Again, you can always add more. So when someone says A2, that means they are referring actually column A, row number 2. And if someone says A2 to A12, that means column A, row number 2 till column A, row number 12. So Microsoft Excel and Google Sheet does the exact same thing, almost the same functionality. Here and there you might find something different, but it basic functionality are the same. Its look is different. For this tutorial, I used a Windows 10 computer and a Google Chrome browser. Let's begin. Just for this tutorial, I have highlighted few rows in column A. Our drop-down list will start from row 2 and it will continue until row 12. So let's start. Let's highlight row 2 and then move to the top menu and look for data. Click data and then look for data validation. Click data validation. Then we have this option. We are creating a drop-down list. So make sure you select this one, list of item. This will create the drop-down list. And then as you can see in here, cell range is A2. So that means it will be in here in row 2. All right, so let's start entering the item. T, coffee, sugar, milk, creamer. Make sure you use the comma to separate all these items. If you don't use the comma, if you don't use this, then milk and creamer will be in the same zone. It will be not shown as a separate item. All right, everything done. Click save. So right now our drop-down list will only show in row 2. We want to expand that until row 12. So let's hold down the mouse button and drag it down till row 12. And then that's it. Let's test. T, and then in here, creamer. So the drop down has been affected from row 2 till row 12. There is another way this drop down list can be created. Let me show you one thing before we do that. If you highlight any one of this column, you will notice that there is an option in here. Any column once you highlight, only it is visible. Otherwise, you don't see that in here. Or if you move your mouse, it becomes visible. You highlight, it becomes visible. Click that, you have this option. So let's select column C, move our mouse in here, click and look for data validation right here. Click that and we have the exact same option that we had here. So we have selected column C. Our drop down list will start from row 1, which is here. We don't want that. We want to start from row 2. So select that. We don't want it to go up to row 1000. We want it up to row 12. So let's change this to 12. We want a drop down list. So select list of item and then let's start entering the item in here. Tea, coffee, sugar, milk, creamer, save, and there you go. From row 2 to row 12, you have an activated drop down list. So let's test coffee In here you have sugar, and here you have creamer, but there is nothing in here because it is out of the range. There is nothing in here, it's out of the range. Now to make these lists like this one, it's very simple. I'll show you how to do that. You select that, paste, and then highlight all these and then change the color. There you go. So there are two ways you can create this drop-down list in Google Sheet. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, My Tutorville, and stay in touch for more tutorials.